I told you all that the price of Bitcoin will dump towards the downside exactly till my level, and right now price of Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside exactly till my level. Is this the start of bear market, or is the price of Bitcoin getting manipulated? I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Right now I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and as you can clearly see, I told you all in my last video, not last but one of my videos, I will pop up it right over here. I told you all that the price of Bitcoin has to come down at $91,000. This whole white zone is an important support zone for the price of Bitcoin, and currently Bitcoin's price is in a sideways trend. As you can clearly see, this is a very important level of support, and this is a zone of resistance. As soon as price got rejected from this resistance, I knew that it has to come all the way down till here, this support, and well, as you can clearly see, it did came. Also, one more thing I want to tell is that the level is kind of, I would say, breakout, or I won't say it, the level has done a breakdown. Still the price is recovering, because this whole is also a support only. So don't get me wrong that the price has done a breakdown of this important support zone. No, it is still in the support zone only. It is getting a support. So mass liquidations has happened. Billions of dollars has been wiped out from the crypto market, and all the retailers and high leverage greedy long traders got trapped, and obviously it has to happen. So right now this is my entry price, and my stop loss is somewhat over here at $88,000. This is my stop loss level, and my upside target is obviously near the Bitcoin's all-time high at $106,000, or minimum $102,000. But for now I am aiming for 100k. This is my target for now. Approx 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This is my target for now, but obviously my main target, as I said, is $102,000. Let's see how this trade goes, and I will inform you guys on my Twitter. Also, coming to the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and I'm not going long on Ethereum right now. It is just my personal trade, and I'm not going long or short on Ethereum. Why? Because the price of Ethereum did a breakdown of this level, and it is struggling to go towards the upside. Maybe this can turn into a fake out, and we can see a upside potential, and I will inform you guys if I take a trade on Ethereum, or if I find a good setup to take a trade. But for now I'm not entering in any trade right now on Ethereum. Let's just see what happens. But obviously I can see the price is already oversold a lot, so let's see what happens, and I'll just wait for a good setup to enter long on Ethereum. But currently I'm not entering. In the end, I'm on the Solana's chart, and very interesting price action happening on Solana right now, and it is trapping a lot of traders, and I also got trapped. So basically I entered in a long position, I hope you remember, at $168. Price did went all the way up till $180, and I did trailed my stop loss. So I switched my stop loss from $154 to $168 at my entry price. So this trade was a break even for me, no loss, no profit. But after that, you can clearly see the price of Solana dumped in one day all the way down till $130 level. Well, if I zoom out, you can clearly see price is already in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. New lower low has been made. So this means that the price now has to go up to make a new lower high, right? Wrong. Maybe it can, but I will not enter in a long position on Solana right now, because it is in middle of nowhere. So as you can clearly see, price of Solana, it is not near my support zone and not near my resistance zone also. So right now I will not enter in any trade. I'll wait for the price of Solana to give one last dump towards the downside, the last stretch, to I would say remove all the remaining few high leverage long traders, and then I will enter in a long position somewhat over here. Or maybe if the price goes all the way up till $175 or near this important white zone, then I'll go short. Let's see what happens. But currently I'm not taking any trade on Solana anymore. and it is better to just wait. Yes guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope now you know my trade on Bitcoin and how my Solana trade went, and Ethereum analysis as well. Overall, I'm slightly bullish on Bitcoin. See, overall, I know Bitcoin is getting manipulated and it has lost its real use case. No intrinsic value is remaining on Bitcoin, and I expect a bear run to start and a bear market to start. I expect that, and the original price of Bitcoin is way less than 100k. It's just manipulated right now, but it is what it is. Currently I'm talking about trade and the opportunities to take a trade. So yeah, I mean, I did found an entry on Bitcoin right now, and price is already oversold. That's why I'm making this video, to inform you guys that I'm entering in a long position. Don't copy trade me, and instead learn from my trades, that how I manage my trade, what I look on the charts and what not. And yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.